Kanongalam juga National People's Party kong amperin dengdo kabadai ru ka menteri ka Khuborjylla hine kesngi kalaong baka parti kala Pynkhreh shispa persen na kabanta ke election shiteng samoy ha Gambegre constituency. Habakran bat kilal pathai Khubor ka kong amperin kalaong bakum ka parti ru kalaya chakmat na kabanta kate ke election shiteng samoy kaba shongthli hadien bo MLA ka than usalang e sangma ula shajit no kumu MP ka tura parliamentary constituency.
Is a party which is preparing itself adequately for every election. It could be a legislative assembly election, it could be the district council election, it could be the MP election. We are a party that prepares our election adequately. We will fight the by-election and try to retain the seat. We'll try to take it away from any other political party. Because at this point of time, political stability in the state of Meghalaya is very much required. We don't know what debates there are, but back again, we just pray that we do not divide ourselves based on our communities, our creed, our professions, our religion. NPP will prepare the best. If you ask me what is our level of preparation and preparedness, we are prepared 100%. I have not been to the field. Likely I'm not the person to be giving you the correct review of matters, but I have been briefed that we are fighting and we are present in these elections. Do not underestimate our preparedness.